Hello everyone, Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Ram Ram. My name is Amit Garg. So this is our WPP, that is without pen and paper series. ठीक है जी. तो हम देख रहे हैं सी सेट के टॉपिक जिसमें लाइक वी कैन डू mental calculation or without pen paper we can solve question in 10-15 seconds. Today I tell you counting of squares. So how we can count number of squares without pen and paper, and I give the short trick. I tell you manual counting as well, but that will be time consuming. So now we start. Now here they give this type of figure, and this type of question asked in CSET, Assistant Commandant CPF exam, banking, SSC. Okay, so here they give this type of figure. Sometimes they ask this question without figure also, they just give the statement. I let you know how like they ask that question and how we can handle question where the figures are not given. So here they ask count number of squares. They can give bigger figure, like you can do manual counting in this small figure, but bigger figure manual counting is time consuming. Now first we have to name this figure. Either you can name it like column number 1, column number 2, row number 1, row number 2. This is column number 1, 2, 3, row number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to name this figure and we can apply our short trick. Or I name it like this is vertical cell 1 and 2, this is horizontal cell 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Easy. Like here, for example, if this figure is given. So here I just count like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 by 4 figure. And we have to count number of square in the given figure. Okay, that is the idea. So now here, what I will say, type 1 question. Type 1 question here where number of column is equal to number of row. 2 by 2 figure, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. So that is type 1 question we have. So here this is 2 by 2 figure, or it can be 3 by 3, it can be 4 by 4, it can be 5 by 5, or it can be 6 by 6. That type of thing we have. Okay, that is the idea. So here we call it as n by n figure. Number of column n, number of row n, n by n figure. Like here, this is 2 by 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is 3 by 3. So here if it is n by n figure and we have to count number of square, either you can do manual counting, but here without pen paper, short trick here is we have to start with n into n plus. तो हमने क्या करना है, n into n से start करना है. Keep on subtracting 1 1. Subtract 1 from this, n minus 1 into subtract 1 from this, n minus 1. तो आपने करना कुछ नहीं, n into n से start करने. Keep on subtracting 1 1. n minus 1 into n minus 1. Next is n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. Okay, you will get 1 into 1, then 0 into 0. The moment you get 0 into 0, stop. It seems difficult, but believe me, when we use this formula, it is the easiest actually. N into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. तो हमने n into n से start करना है. जैसे like this question, 2 into 2. So what you have to do, you have to start with 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Where you get 0 into 0, stop. So here 4 plus 1, 5. So in this given figure, we have 5 squares. Now we will see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this given figure is 3 by 3. So what we will do, we start with 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Okay. So we get 0 into 0, we stop. So we have to start with 3 into 3. So it is 3 into 3, 9, 4, 1, 0. So we get 14 here. So in the given figure, we have 14 square. Now let us check whether I have given you a correct formula or wrong. Here in this small figure, we can do manual counting. Here also, but here we check square number 1, square number 2, square number 3, square number 4, and this bigger one 5. So manual counting, we get answer 5, and with the short trick also we get 5. Okay, so we have 5 here, we have 14 here. Now next. So this is 4 by 4 figure. Okay, manual counting will take 2 minutes, and whereas this hour without pen paper, 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1, and we get answer, that take 5 seconds. So it is 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 and plus 0 into 0. So this is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So what we have here? 30. So in the given figure we have 30 squares. I take two more questions. One I will solve, one I ask you. Next I take 5 by 5 figure. Okay, so this given figure is 5 by 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 by 5 figure. So what you have to do, you have to start with 5 into 5 and keep on subtracting 1, 1. So this is 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 and plus 0 into 0 and count. And I will say smart people, they just take 1 second extra as compared to the last question. They know this is total 30. We already done in the last question, plus 25. So answer is 55. Or you can check, this is 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1. So this is 41, 50, 54, 55. So in the given figure, we have 55 squares. Now some student, they ask me, sir, if number of column is not equal to number of row, I will tell you that will be type 2 question. But before that, I take one more question here. I take one more question which is 6 by 6 figure. Take your time. Now it's your turn. You have to count number of square in the given figure. So what is this? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So given figure is 6 by 6. So what we have to do? We have to start with 6 into 6 plus 5 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So here I think many of you already got answer. Write in comment 36, 25, 16, 9, 4, 1. So if you add this, we get total 91. 55 plus 36, you just check, this is 91. So in the given figure, we have 91 squares. And believe me, if you do manual counting, here chances that we get wrong answer, or like here, it will take around 6 to 7 minutes or maybe more than that. Now here we come to type 2 question where number of column is not equal to number of row. We have this type of figure here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 by 2, or you can say 2 by 6, or can be 3 by 5 or 5 by 3. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 3, or you can name it as 3 by 4. It doesn't matter. First you count column or row. Answer will be same. So you can name it as 2 by 6 also. You can name it as 3 by 4 also. Or it can be 3 by 7. It can be 3 by 5. 5 by 3. So here number of column is not equal to number of row. So n by m figure. But here first type is n into n. This is n into m. So here earlier it was n into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 plus n minus 2 into n minus 2 and so on. So now here it is easy. Now it is n into m. So here this is n into m. So keep on subtracting 1, 1. This is n minus 1 into m minus 1 plus n minus 2 into m minus 2 and so on. So now you have to start with n into m. Okay. The moment one number becomes 0, you stop, because 0 into something 0. Let me take 3, 4 example. You can understand this. Like here, first question I take 5 by 3, or you can name it as 3 by 5, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3. So this is 5 by 3. So this is 5 by 3 figure. So we start 5 into 3 plus subtract 1 from this 5. So what we get? 4. subtract 1 from this 3, we get 2. 4 into 2. Just understand why I have written 4 into 2. 5 minus 1 give 4, 3 minus 1 give 2. Simple. 5 into 3 plus 4 into 2, and you repeat the same. 4 minus 1 is 3, 2 minus 1 is 1. So plus 2 into 0, which is 0. So this is 15 plus 8 plus 3. So we get 26. So in the given figure, we have 26 squares. 5 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So we have 26. Let me take 2-3 more example. And there is one announcement, like I'm starting my crash course on 16th of August. Fees we kept very nominal, 4,500 rupees. Okay. And here we will have CSET foundation batch. This is for 2021. And those who are preparing for 2022, my live course will start on around 15th or 16th of October. Fees 9,000 for complete course. Okay, live classes, live doubt session. There will be half an hour doubt session after the class, and during the class also you can ask n number of doubt. Okay, you can note down this. Okay, no. So here, and you can convey the message to your friends also, those are preparing for 2022. Thank you. So this is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4. So this is 5 by 4 figure. So what you have to do, you have to start with 5 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Okay, 5 into 4, 4 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 1, 1 into 0. Because here this figure is 5 by 4. So this is 20 plus 12 plus 6 plus 2. So it is 38, 40. So in the given figure, we have 40 squares. Yes. So here I take one more question. So this given figure is 6 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 6 by 3. Okay, I think all of you understood the concept. What we have to do, 6 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3 into 0. So this is 18 plus 10 plus 4. So this is 32. Given figure, we have 32 squares. I ask you one question, try this and see how much time it required. Like 6 by 4. Take your time. Write your answer in comment. Okay, so take your time. So what we have to do? Here this is 6 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 4 by 2 plus 3 by 1. Then 1 into 0. So this is 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0. And believe me, like manual counting take around 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so this is like we have 3 plus 8, 11, 26, 26 plus 24, 50. So in the given figure, we have 50 squares. So this is our without pen and paper series. I hope you like this. Kindly share this video with your friend and kindly pass the information to your friend. Those who are preparing for 2021 and 22. For 21, our course starting on 16th of August 2021, and for 2022 CSET foundation batch which is starting around 15th or 16th of October. Can visit our website iassetu.com. ठीक है जी, आप लोगों के प्यार के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ठीक है जी, हमारा जो क्रैश कोर्स हमने लॉन्च किया था उसमें काफी अच्छे एडमिशंस आपकी तरफ से मिल रहे हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.